Hi friends, our next topic will be list of values. So basically we have already created a form say department details. In the department details, when we run the form, we have to enter the manager ID and location ID. We have to remember the manager ID and location ID manually. But instead what we will do is we will make them list of values so that you can select from the list. So we will say manager ID, will make it pop-up LOV and inline LOV, and then in the list of values we'll say select query, and we will give this query. So basically first name will be shown as display, so D is display, and employee ID, this should be return item. So employee ID will be returned to the manager ID, and display you will see the first name. So let's save this. Similarly in location ID field we'll make it pop-up LOV, and in this list of values we'll do a select query, and we have this where street address is the display value and location ID is the from locations. Location ID is the return value from locations. So let's save this. Now let's go back to our application, run application, and in the departments let's create a new department name. Say we give demo. Then manager ID, no need to remember and input your manager ID, you can select from the list. Say let Sundar be the manager, and location, say Interiors Boulevard be the location, and we create. Or demo is already there. Department ID PK. I might have entered the department ID. Let me see the data. Tables, departments. I might have entered the department ID already. Let me see. Yeah, let me delete this department. Okay, now let's try to create. So record created. There was a clash with department ID, so it was creating problem. So demo is created, as you can see. So this is how you attach a list of value to your form, and you can use the list of value to display a pop-up LOB where you can select the item and proceed with your insertion of record or update of record. Thank you. That's about list of values. We'll see you in the next session.